This is further buttressed by the order dated 6th February 2025, whereby injunctive orders were issued restraining the alleged new speaker from purporting to act and discharge duties as a Speaker of the County Assembly of Nyamira. And even though there are no express orders directing the incumbent Speaker to assume the office of the Speaker, the above orders are, by implication, recognizing the incumbent Speaker as having not ceased to hold office. The court, in the ruling dated 4th November, and it goes on to say what the court order said. So, Honorable Chair, what we are saying is that the back and forth communication has been ongoing, and we tasked the CECM, who is the head of the county treasury, to identify to us who the real accounting officers are and who the Speaker of the County Assembly is, and they have confirmed. So in summary, he has said the following, that the sum effect of these court orders is the recognition that Mr. Enock Okero and Mr. Silvanus Ndemo Nyamora are the Speaker and Acting Clerk of the County Assembly of Nyamira, respectively. So this letter is dated 3rd of April 2025 and was received in my office on the 7th of April 2025, being the very latest communication from Nyamira.